All right, so we got this thing. Let's check it out. This is heavy. Oh. See. Okay. This has got a bunch of parts. Oh boy. Oh boy, look at it. It's got some directions. We might need to look at those. It's got some parts in it. So we may need to look at those. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah, it goes like this. Oh yeah, this is the feet. These are feet. One more. Does not want to come out of there. Okay. All right, I think I'm figuring it out. I'm going to try to do it without the directions. That'll be a challenge. All right, so it does come with some washers. I think there's only 3 of them in here. Yeah, there's 3 washers in here. And here's the directions. Let's set those there. And this is the trampoline user manual. All right, it shows you a bunch of stuff that they don't want you to do. Shows you what it's going to look like when it's built. Shows you all the parts that you're supposed to have. I didn't see any of these. There's a QR code to scan. Tells you how to do it all. And apparently we've got to hook all these up before assembly. Get them all on there. Then you're going to push it open like that. Then you got to put your feetses in there. And yeah. I think that's it. I think we're going to be able to do it. Doesn't look too complicated. All right, so let's try it out and see if we can do it.